My name is Christine G, and I'm going to be going over how to make a histogram with customized bins in Excel. So here we have to have all of our data points. So this is the number of vegan meals the family eats per week. Okay, so this we can say it's from a sample, and this is just made up data. And then we just need the upper bins. We don't have to have the lower bins as well to do this in Excel. So right now I'm going to go over on the right side and click on data analysis. If you don't have this button, then you are going to need the tool pack add-in to get it. So here you may have to choose from the list. I choose a histogram. By the way, I'm doing this on the Mac, on my Mac, so yours may be a little bit different, but very similar. So these will probably be blank. And what we want to do, so the input range, we're just going to select our data points, and I just hit Shift and then a click, or you can do it the way that you want to select it, dragging it. And then here, the bin range, well, that I just need to do my, let me go ahead, I'm gonna grab that one, upper, and then all the way to 42, because I think it grabs the upper as a label. So let's check that out. And then I have selected the chart output because we want to have that histogram chart. And I just leave it. This creates another tab, so where the output is with the histogram. So I just put it in a new worksheet. So it'll just create a tab in here. Okay, so here we have the upper bins and then the frequency. So between 0 and 7, there is one instance. So there's one family eating 7 vegan meals a week, and then between between 7 and 14, we have frequency of 4 families. So now something to note about a histogram is that a histogram doesn't have spaces in between the bars. So we are going to want to change that. So let me see. Okay. And I'm figuring that out. Please notice that change chart type. Nope, we have a good chart type. If we had like some just one bar, or it wasn't broken up very well, we may want to adjust. And then maybe there, right here, this first bin only has the frequency of 1, so maybe we want to include more, but then we have to make the bins, we want to make the bins equal, so got to keep that in mind. So, but this looks okay to me, and let's see, I'm trying to figure out, so change data, let me double click this guy. Okay, yes, here it is. So then we want to go to, let's see. Okay, so it's called gap width. I don't know if you can see that all the way. Let me try and make this a little bit smaller. Oops. And then we're going to adjust the gap width all the way down to 0. And let me see if I can make it smaller. No, it's not letting me do anything. So I put this, as I go up this way, it goes higher the percent, and then it goes down to 0 when I do that. So then you can see no spaces. So now this looks like a histogram. So thanks so much for watching, and feel free to email me if you have any questions at all. Oh, and there you can see the gap width. So And then if I go like this, it creates more space between the bars. So perfect. So thanks so much. Have a great day.